Welcome to Whispers. So, with Buhari running out of skelter, seeking help for a self-inflicted wound. So, the international community, they have been responding. Of such response, is this one coming all the way from South Korea. So, South Korea to contributed. So, let's see what they have. Let's hear what they have to say. Nigeria's security issue should be discussed among Nigerians. It is an internal issue, says South Korea's ambassador, Kim Yong-chil. South Korea's ambassador to Nigeria, Kim Yong-chil, has described the country's security crisis as an internal issue which should be discussed among Nigerians. I mean, this is something he should do internally. Why is he going to the out? What? I mean, I don't know. That is him crying foul. I mean, is he this daft? What is it going to take Buhari to call an internal meeting, or what do they call it, conference or something, for people that are affected to sit at the table? He doesn't want to sit at the table internally, but he's willing to sit at the table externally. De la shagba. Ilé kan, ilé náà ló máa padà sí. Child who have the advice in Abuja said, if another country engages Nigeria, it will then be considered an international issue. He added that to solve the current bedeviling of the country, Nigeria needs international cooperation mainly with its neighboring countries to enhance its internal security. The ambassador said, security is a very sensitive issue. I know everyone is concerned about the insecurity in Nigeria, but it is Nigeria's internal issue. It should be discussed among Nigerians. If another country engages Nigeria, that is another issue entirely, and that would be considered an international issue. To solve the problem, Nigeria needs international cooperation mainly with its neighboring countries to enhance its internal security. Nigeria must cooperate with Chad, Niger, and other neighboring countries to ensure cooperation, calling for professionalism in the army. Chow described the army as the center that holds the society together. Okay, so the army is the center that holds the society together. The army is gone. Nigeria doesn't have army. Nigeria has politicians wearing army uniform and terrorists still hardened. In South Korea, we have a very strong defense, which is rated number 6 in the world. The military is very dedicated, and there is little or no corruption in the system. The military is the center that holds the country together. If the military is corrupt, there is a high possibility that the whole country will be corrupt. Discipline and dedication are key in building a stable and efficient military. Does the Nigerian military, do they have all this? Because they are corrupt. They are not disciplined. The dedication is not even there. The patriotism is not even there. They are saying instead of them to be loyal to the nation, they say they are loyal to Buhari. So what are we saying? Revealing that Nigeria and South Korea are on the verge of sealing a defense and intelligence sharing pact. Charles said they have established the office of a defense attaché in its embassy to strengthen cooperation between the two nations. So they are doing their defense intelligence sharing pact. For what? Hmm, all the training that the British were giving them, and they're using it against the people now. All the so-called jets and whatever that they bought, didn't they stage manage it so that the Boko Harams can have access to them? And you sabi oh. So let's shop around for people's response. Sense will not kill you. He who sets his house on fire shall be able to quench the fire. Also, he who must come to equity must come with clean hands. Our leaders know the people doing these things. You cannot deceive the international community. Thank you. For the past few months, Buhari has been throwing dollars around, hoping to drag one of the foreign countries into his madness. But unfortunately for him, unfortunately for us, he has got some response. This South Korea's response will hurt their feelings too much. Corruption in the military, nepotism in the military, Islamism in the military. Bye, Nigeria. The truth is, Nigeria contributes at best very, 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 very little to the global economy. There is nothing to gain from us. UK, South Korea, etc., to benefit from Nigeria. All we have is oil, which isn't the future. We are not even amongst the top 10 reserves of oil in the world. We are not so significant. In Nigeria, if things fall apart, the center cannot hold anymore. Yes, it has. It has fallen apart. The military is corrupt. Civilians are corrupt. Everybody is corrupt. The civilian leadership is corrupt. The military leadership is corrupt too. So, what do we people do? The agent's table needs to be cleansed by whom and how? That is the question. God sent us a Jerry Rollins. Oh, before the whole contraption called Nigeria implodes and take everybody along with it. So, there you have it, guys. Everybody knows. Everybody knows. Any burumo. Look at when it's so funny. Now that they've heard the obvious from outside. That see, this thing is a family affair. Go inside and settle it. Maybe they thought they didn't know. They are deceiving themselves. They are just deceiving themselves. So there you have it. There you have it. They thought they would come and take sides so that they can empower them more, to finally kill off everybody. Buhari. Yeah, Buhari idiot and his Buhari deans. And his Buhari didderings. And his Buhari coups. The Ngozi Ari. I didn't say anything. No. All those names are by Mayeko. Mayeko is the one that says Buhari idiots, Buhari this, Buhari this. But I love the way he says it. So yes, I'm using it. So there you have it. So the Abobakus. Well, there you have it. So let's keep on. This drama is on end, and so until I'll see you in the next episode. Okay, guys? Until I come your way again. Bye.